Hi guys, we are on our way to the jungle house and we have rented a car. Oh, this is our cemetery. Hi guys, we are here near to my village. Just go straight. No, that ball. Okay, just go straight. We are here. The road is not good here. Just go straight. See, the road is terrible
It
here.
reminds me when I used to go and visit my grandpa.
Ah,
We used to have roads like this in Nigeria.
rough road.
Like
There's so
chickens all
many
over the
chicken
place.
all over the place. Along the road, there's so many chicken, native chicken. So can you give away to them? Ay, si Unyok. Si Unyok. Si Unyok. That's my neighbor.
Okay.
Elementary school of the other barangay. Just go straight.
It's a real village.
Yes, a real village. So some people are running away from the village. They don't like this kind of situation. They want to go to the city, while the people in the city want to go to the village. Yes, no pollution. The life is simple. Look at that little girl carrying her small brother. Oh, look at them.
The peaceful is here.
Si Bunbun. Ito si Bunbun. Ito ni Manay. Milba. See the road? The road is not good. That is the fish vendor.
Okay. Nice and peaceful here. Look at those mountains there.
Yes, you know that is the village of our that couple last night. Yes, just the village there.
Yeah, okay.
Beautiful view of the mountain.
Rain. It's going to be really messy here.
Yes,
Okay,
that is why. See, it's already messy. It rains last night. Few days of raining, so this is what happened. So we are almost here to the jungle house, guys.
I like the palm trees on each side.
Yes, the barangay planted these coconut trees. So we will park there. I think I will just at that side. Yes, that is the tricycle of the... Oh, look at them. They are already clean the roof. Yeah, so we will park here on the left side. Hi guys, so we are here. It's the first time of Alex in the jungle house. So we are here already. We arrived safe. Say hi to them. Hello. Say hi to them. Hi. So we are here. So this is the village. Yes, it's nice, huh? See? This is my place. Yeah. It's cool. As So the carpenter is now cleaning the roof.
Okay.
So you can see the birds.
Windows are beautiful.
Yes, that's the window. So
How do we get there?
actually,
Where do we go?
here,
Which way?
this way. Oh, this is, what about our things there later on?
Yeah, you come later on.
Oh, this is the organic thing that I can put in the plants. Naubos mo doon? Aw, ano ikaw karamo? Durogid no, pirak bulan nga daan mo ay makwan? Trapuhan mo dyan, hindi ang kilid na karon. So that is the temporary toilet I have built. So we can use. Ay, grabe. Grabe naman na jungle house, gid. Jungle house. Ah.
Ano pala kabulan?
Sino nga rana ka dyan?
Si Nika.
Nika, bayi. Ti ano dyan, pang ano ipabreed mo ka dyan, parang nami dyan, i-pure breed mo.
Oo, ano man na, duro ka, laki nga.
Hindi lang yan native. She likes water. She likes water. There are also birds here. Chicken, birds. Ano nga pispis? Uy, ano daya talunon, pato talunon daya?
Wild duck.
Wild duck. Oh. Wild duck. Diin nyo din buol?
Yeah, nadakpan na dahil.
Nadakpan lang? Tiyang ano dyan ng pispis nga dyan isa?
Sa kwanan, sa Sara, rata na magaling.
Tipira daya isa na dyan pispis? Ay sus, pinuo.
And that will feed the plant.
So let's go.
Okay. Your mother is looking well. Very well there. I think he's even looking younger.
That is what is that? The red one? And then you put it in when you cook, becomes red.
Oh, that's what do you call it? Dragon fruit.
No, it's not dragon fruit.
It looks like dragon fruit.
No, dragon fruit is the one that you eat. Look at the view. Look at the view. Nice view. Nice view here.
Where the Carabao?
There is no Carabao. Carabao, maybe we will go to the river. This is a nice tree.
Cobblestones,
Yes.
white vegetables and all that. And just landscape the whole place. To be honest, I don't even think you need a fence. Because it will disrupt everything.
I don't know.
He
We will
doesn't-
go
he
to
doesn't-
the
so he
river.
doesn't- So he doesn't mess around
Yes, with
nature.
some other stray dogs and Carabao. Oh, be careful of this thing of the Carabao.
Wow,
Oh, that's it.
that's a big one,
He
isn't it?
will go to the river.
Okay, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Simple fence.
Yeah, so he doesn't
Yeah.
interfere with nature.
So it's the place is cool, full of trees. It's a jungle house.
Yeah, we do.
So, to the river. You want to see the river? We will. I do not know if we can go to that river because it's too muddy.
Where are we going?
To the river. Maadto kami sa Suba. Sa Suba. There are beautiful dragonflies. Ay, there's a banana here. Wow, banana. So this is the river where, huh?
Is this the type of one I eat?
Yes, that's the type of banana. And then there is also another banana there at the back of the house that I will cut down later on. And
I can get this done.
later on there is another banana at the back of the house.
I want to get this one.
No, later on we will get a knives, a big knives there. And then we will cut down later on.
You pick this back.
Yes.
It's food.
And there is another one there that we need to. Oh, the river is. Oh my goodness, the river is too deep. Yes, that's the river. It's too deep. Yes, because of the heavy rain from other mountainous area. Yes, so this is it. This is the river. So we cannot. Let's
No, don't go
try.
there. Just no, don't go there.
It's here, so we can come here. So there is no carabao there because the river is too deep. We will ask my brother about the knives. We will get this banana. Come on, let's go. Or you will stay here. I will get the knives.
But how am I going to get to it? We have a ladder. You know that ladder?
No, I know how to cut it.
Oh.
I have to chop the thing there. Chop, and then it will fall
No,
down.
you just get the ladder.
Yes, that's how. No, there is no ladder.
Taas maradan?
I'm not tall enough.
Or the banana will just turn into pieces.
No, wait, just wait.
Sirog sa likod mo na, oh.
Gani na sunod man.
Dali, girog.
Okay, we tried anyway. Okay.
Yes. We need to chop this one.
Well, we got some.
Yes, we got some. Just move a bit. Chop.
Yeah, chop me. Let me do it. Let me do it. I'll deal with Bruce first. Let me do it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, hold it.
Dali, di. Dali, dalagan, dalagan. Dali, di. Dalagan, di. Para makita ko sa ano. Dali, di. Dalagan na, dalagan na.
Hindi, mainit dun oh.
Dali, di. Mainit yun. Dalagan na.
Ay,
Dalagan, dalagan, dalagan. Oh.
dalan dun.
Careful, because it might drop.
Alin dyan. Tsaka sa ano lang. Hindi magaling magtuto.
Careful, move out of the way.
You have to cut here. Ay, nagtrapod-pod yung banana. Focus nga ni. Picture kami ni. Picture kami ni. Picture kami ni. Ni, i-stop
Ah,
na
laki na.
ni.
Okay na. Day.
You just do this. Yeah!
1, 2, 3. Okay, dun.
Ay. Dapat tidak ni padurungan doon kamu ng sabatan ni. Dasun belagyan ni ha.
So we're going to do the other one, yeah?
Oh, I have lots of banana. I have lots of banana to. Sobrang. They are afraid to follow you. You might chop our hands.
Ito nga makatulog ko.
Kaon yung darog chocolate mo. Yod. Pero agad ka bilog nga kuha na ubos mo sa tabliron.
Doon ka naman.
Baw duha doon. Grab. Ito anis nini.
Pagkakaon pa.
Magabat ka baga.
May abot mo si dyan mga rinipad na tayo kalay. Mag-abot si Nilong mo mga rinipad. Kita katsukulit mo. Ang kalaran di halili imong sabi na nilo. Kada yung sipot man.
Go away the other way.
Ay, si Daddy Wandi. Yan din kita ang saging, diyan. Ay, dyan ha? Ang saging, ay bunga, galit dyan ha. So, itinaksan ko sa randi.
Botot.
Yes. Ay, gano, parang bigit sa ano, sa pupos-pupos. Do not cut the small one. It will bear fruit. No! That one. Yes, that one. Mag-akya ako pati namin.
I'm enjoying this.
Ga-enjoy ka.
Bayra to tanda day no.
Believe fruit. Guys, we harvest so many bananas. Be careful of your white handkerchief. Oh my goodness, that white handkerchief. Oh, durang hindi ito yun. Durang doon na.
Duro gawa ba?
Duro gawa ba? See guys, we have so many bananas. Wow, 3. Tatlo ka sipi nga bana. Sipi. Kuan gali. Ano pa naman dyan ni? Bulig. Tatlok bulig nga saging. Ayun, nami ka na dyan ha. Kurang-kurang gitu. Gusto mo ni? Dara ka isa? Din? Duro saging tok ninyo? Ay.
Luto lang.
Wow. We have lots of banana.
Medyo pero to.